Hello there, it's Lawrence in his workshop, the Dementia Man. What I'm going to do today is I want the hard drive out of this, which I believe is an SSD. It's the only thing I want is out of this, and then I'm going to get rid of the laptop. It's just an old one. But what I want to do is I want to get the SSD out of this, and I'm going to put it in an iMac just as an experiment, and just to see how well an iMac would run with an SSD in it. Unfortunately, this particular laptop is one of those that you have to take all the case off of it to get the hard drive in. Where's me? What's that? Oh, it's a regulator for a hi-fi. Anyway, to take this apart takes a little while. Oh, Parkinson's, sorry about that. Anyway, that's why I don't do many of these videos, because sometimes the shakes is just too much, and I can't. Well, I can't do anything once the shakes start. I think this particular laptop is it's got a problem with the keyboard, and it ain't worth the 20 odd pounds that's going to cost to replace the keyboard, to get a new keyboard. Still, I don't know how many of you actually do laptops. I used to do loads of them, but as I say, you can't do much soldering when you're a bit on the shaky side. Not too sure how this comes apart now. It's been a long time. I actually put the SSD in this thinking I was going to use it. It's not bad. It's an Asus X401A. Obviously, it's an old one. You know, but they're all old now, aren't they? Laptops. The new ones are rubbish. Got to be careful with this one, I believe. When it comes apart. It's a bit of a problem, isn't it? The shaky bits is a bit of a problem. Plastic clips. Ooh. If the shakes get too bad, I'll have to stop the video, because I'll have to tackle it another day. I won't be able to show you the putting it into the iMac, because the iMac is physically too big to go on my workbench. So I have to do that indoors on the kitchen table, which I don't have the camera set up or anything for that. Plus, I don't think she'll let me do that anyway, not indoors anyway. Come on, let's have a look here. Oh, here we go. Getting somewhere here. I don't know how many of you actually have Parkinson's, but it can be a bit of a problem at times. So if I just stop sometimes, it's because I'm trying to get the shakes into check. Sometimes I can control it, other times I can't. Anyway, I refuse to give in at the moment to the condition, but that might change. Oh, it's coming apart. You have to be careful with these because you might break the case. Now there's some leads under here from what I can remember, which, oh, don't knock the screws over. He's got to just flip up that little tag on the, that goes to the mouse and the touchpad. That's that one, and this one is the keyboard, the bigger one. That flips up as well by the looks of it. Sometimes they just push in. Now let's a flip up. That's going to be fun getting back in there if I'm shaking. See now, look, that's the keyboard. That's the problem with these keyboards. They're part of the top. To get them out, they're all put in with these plastic, where they put the keyboard in and then melt these over. To take them out, you have to unmelt them with an old soldering iron, just at about 150 degrees. And then you lift the keyboard while they're soft, and then you can reuse them when you put them back. Yeah, if I can get a keyboard for like £8-9 quid, then I'd do it. But they were £24, which was a little bit dear at the time. Yeah, there's the hard drive. Oh, it's a Kingston. I didn't realise it was such a good one, if there's such a thing. Right, this one flips up here. Take this lead out here. Undo these two screws. Whoops. That's over. Put that there. Oh yeah, sometimes my speech is affected by the dementia, so if I say some words that are not making any sense, please ignore them. Now if we just go back like this with this, there's the drive. Don't want the caddy, I don't think. Oh, I might. No, I don't think I want the caddy. I'm going to leave it in the caddy for now, and until I've. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to leave this in pieces. I may do a video of putting it back together, but it's basically. Oh, look, one of the little things has come off. They come out the plastic. You have to sometimes glue them back in. I don't know if you can see that. It's one of these little bosses that are in with. They actually fix them in while the plastic is being moulded. But you can actually, if the plastic's not all broken around the outside, you can glue them back in. I have used Araldite in the past to actually make them work on the more expensive laptops. But this one is it's not used anymore. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I won't be doing another video putting this back together because it's straightforward, and I'm sorry I can't do the iMac in here because I haven't got the space. Anyway, bye for now.